I just love mac and cheese, but I've never had a mac and cheese pudding before. Well, never say never. It's time to try it out. I need to boil a half a pound of macaroni. Grab a bowl. I need 2 cups of small curd cottage cheese, 1 3/4 cups of sour cream, 3 eggs. Mix that up well. I'm mixing in 3 cups of cheese and mix it together. I've drained and rinsed the pasta, and I'm gonna add on that cheesy sauce. I'm gonna add a little black pepper and mix it all together and add it to a baking dish. I'm gonna be covering that with some grated Parmesan and, unbelievably, another 1.5 cups of cheese. Wowee! And this gets baked at 350 for about 45 minutes. That cheese is gonna be a nice golden brown. Macaroni and cheese pudding. It's very much a pudding, and it is so cheesy and so delicious. I'm gonna give this an 8.1 out of 10. Someone stole my mood ring, and I'm not sure how I feel about it.